Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to change your store name in Shopify. This is my Shopify store and this is my current name. It is my store, and to change it, it's simple. Just to go to shopify.com, log in to your account, and once you're inside your Shopify dashboard, click on Settings from this corner and make sure you're in the general page. This is it. And below store details, click on this little pen. This new window pops up, and from the store name field, change it to your desired one. In my case, I will go with Ben's Shop and hit this save button. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Shopify for Beginners today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Shopify, how to set up your online store, add products and collections, manage your store pages and navigation, add payment methods, launch your store, manage it, also doing marketing for it. To get access to all of this today, plus my other available online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. As you can see, settings saved. Now let's refresh my store page, and as you can see, my new name automatically started showing. And this is how to change your Shopify store name. And if you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.